everyone and welcome back. This video is going to be slightly different. You'll finally be able to hear the radio and us talking throughout the flight. A channel called Flying Dark Lord actually made a video showing how to record audio and what equipment to use, so we followed that. Shout out to them and I shall link the video in the description box. This is me and my dad flying to Leicester for Tapas Tuesday. Let me know what you think and see you in the air.
Flight 87 final to land.
Surface wind 250 degrees, 07 knots.
Golf Oscar Mike is holding Alpha, ready for departure visual with the traffic on final.
Golf Oscar Mike, roger. Also be advised we have had a pilot report of microlights seen to the southwest of the airfield around 1,500 feet.
One that keep a good look out. Gamston radio, good evening, Golf Bravo Kilo, Kilo November, radio checking airfield information.
Golf Bravo Kilo, Kilo November, Gamston radio, good afternoon. Runway 20, right hand circuit in use, speed QNH 1016, your readability 5.
5's also 20, right hand QNH 1016, we are 2 POB to Leicester, and I heard the warning about macrolights to the southwest of the airfield.
Golf Kilo November, roger.
Okay, that's the parking brake is on. Tail flaps are open. Up. Fuel is on both. It is. Okay. Nothing behind us, not going to blow anybody away. 17 RPM. Brakes are holding, magneto check. Left. Right. Back onto both. RB check. And then cycle. Okay, we have suction, multi-phaser in the green. Idle. Okay. Trim is set for takeoff. Throttle friction tight. Mixture is rich. Magnetos are on both. Fuel is on both. Tail flaps are open. Got 3 hours worth of fuel. We only need about an hour tonight. Flaps 10 degrees. Gauges, no broken glasses, no off flags showing. That's one. That's set for our 160, our first heading. Controls for 3. You all strapped in?
Yep.
And Golf Kilo November's at Alpha, ready for backtrack 20.
Golf Kilo November, roger, no reported traffic to effect.
Entered runway 02.
We're ready to rock and roll?
Yep.
Kilo November's lined up 20, ready for immediate.
Golf Kilo November, roger, the surface wind 260 degrees, 07 knots.
Wind copied and we're rolling Golf Kilo November. Okay, that's full power. P's and P's in the green. Airspeed's alive. Keep the nose, weight off the nose, then she'll fly off as soon as she's ready. Golf Kilo November's clear of the 80s to the southeast, changing to East Midlands on 134.18.
Golf Kilo November, roger, have a safe flight.
See you later, Golf Kilo November.
East Midlands is quiet this evening.
Yeah, when you want them to talk. At least it's not raining.
Yeah.
Oh, I see a paraglider.
Yeah. Yeah, got him.
Headwind 54 Echo, visual with base last year as well.
54 authority, cheerio.
East Midlands radar, Vickers 03, radar heading 120, descending flight level 8.
Aeroplane.
Good 03, Mr. Trader, good afternoon. Vectors are approach from
Probably your 12 o'clock.
Descend to altitude.
Or 11 o'clock.
1,000 feet.
Oh yeah, got it.
1017, 35 miles to run.
Okay, radar vectors for the ILS 27, descent altitude 6,000 feet on 1017. And you obviously know we're at Beach 200, and then we've got Romeo copied. Roger.
Romeo is current.
East Midlands radar, good afternoon. Golf Charlie Mike November Whiskey, descending flight level 80 on track Harper.
Golf Charlie Mike November Whiskey, Speed Radar, good afternoon. Well, Express 7 Juliet Lima, turn left, heading 300 degrees. Descend to altitude 2,000 feet, cleared ILS approach from runway 27.
Left turn at 300 degrees, descent to altitude 2,000 feet, with cleared ILS approach from runway 27, Mile Express 7 Juliet Lima.
So, Newark just in front of us.
Oh yeah. I bet we're flown over Josh.
Mile Express 7 Juliet Lima.
Wait, will he be coming up the A1?
Yeah.
Possibly.
7 Juliet Lima, contact East Midlands Tower 124, decimal 005, bye. 24085, Mile Express 7 Juliet Lima, XLA. Vickers 03, 10 left heading 115, and descend to altitude 3,000 feet, 23 miles.
Okay, turn left heading 115 and descent altitude.
Aeroplane 12, 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
Maybe you're 2 o'clock.
No, it's 12 o'clock.
Oh, you're 12
now
o'clock.
going to 1, yeah.
Yeah.
Got him.
I can feel it getting warm now.
If you twist that.
Okay, there we go.
And Golf November Whiskey, are you looking to route direct leads east now, or do you want to maintain within the airway? If we can just have a quick look. If the route direct to leads east, direct to Foxfire keeps us clear, we're quite happy to take a direct route now. Golf November Whiskey, so you'll leave control airspace in about 20 miles, and I'll be able to find you in the service outside, and then you probably need to speak to Leeds Bradford for further service on route, but I'll let you know when you get to that point. Okay, can we route direct to Foxfire now? Golf November Whiskey, if you can route direct, Echo Golf Charlie Mike. Yeah, Wilco Golf November Whiskey.
My phone keeps telling me I'm driving.
3,000 feet.
Yeah.
Do they keep trying to switch you off from video in then?
Yeah.
Vickers 03, 10 right heading 240 degrees, descent to altitude 2,000 feet, cleared ILS approach runway 27.
Right heading 240, descent altitude 2,000 feet, and cleared for the ILS 27, Vickers 03.
East Midlands radar, this is Golf Tango Alpha Lima Echo, request basic service.
Golf Tango Alpha Lima Echo East Midlands radar, good afternoon, flight message.
Golf Tango Alpha Lima Echo is a PA28, last okay to take nil. Currently 5 miles southeast of Leicester on 1016 at 3,800 feet. Request basic service, Golf Lima Echo.
Golf Lima Echo, Roger, squawk 4571, basic service, East Midlands QNH 1017.
4571, it's 1017, basic service, Golf Lima Echo.
Got Beaver Castle down here, look.
Oh yeah.
aeroplane 12 o'clock going down. I can only just see it. You might not be able to see it.
No, I can't see it, sweetheart.
It's below us.
Which way was it going?
It's coming our direction.
Do I need to turn?
Yeah, probably. I can't see it anymore. Oh yeah, I've got it.
Leave control there.
Going past us now.
Traffic service with reduced traffic information due to radar suppression. Yeah, traffic service on.
Yeah, it's just going past us.
Oh yeah, got it.
From my angle, he looked like he was heading towards the ground.
It might have been descending.
Yeah.
I mean, there's Langer just over there, but Langer should be shut now.
Yeah. Aerobatics, maybe?
Possibly.
I can actually see when I've got cushions.
And we are pointing nose down a bit as well.
Yeah.
I'll give him a shout.
Leicester Radio, good evening, Golf Bravo, Kilo, November.
Golf Kilo November, Leicester Radio, pass your message.
Leicester Radio, Golf Kilo November, Cessna 182, inbound to yourselves from Gamston, currently 10 to run to the northeast. Understand it's 28 right-hand circuit and 9 and 9 at 8.
Numbers are correct and your readability is 5.
5 also will join overhead for 28 right-hand circuit, Golf Kilo November.
See, now I've opened the cowl flaps and it's sucking the hot air out of the engine bay.
It's cooled down.
It's cooled down again. Got the airfield?
Yeah.
Golf Fox Charlie, runway vacated.
Right, keep a good lookout for that RV that's coming from the south. We're coming from the north.
Okay.
Helicopter 14 lifting and taxiing to the H. Helicopter 14, right?
Oh, I've got it. It's right smack bang in front of me.
Oh yeah, got it visual. I-wing, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Warning, aircraft ahead, 12 o'clock, 2.5 miles, 300 feet below, passing left to right.
That's the RV, which I've got it visual.
Okay.
Golf 1 Whiskey on to downwind runway 28 to them.
Warning, aircraft ahead,
You got it
1
pushed
o'clock,
out there.
1 mile,
Oh, yeah.
200 feet below, reciprocal heading. Glider winch launching 9 miles ahead.
Kilo November overhead the field, descending dead side for 28.
Holding short 28, ready for departure.
Yeah, there's a helicopter just taken off and so another aeroplane.
Yeah, that's sweet top.
Yeah.
Aircraft behind, 8 o'clock, close, 800 feet below.
Brakes off, undercarriage down and welded. Mixture is rich, mags are on both. Fuel is on both. Cowl flaps are open, prop is 5. You all strapped in, sweetheart?
Yeah.
Roger, there's another one crosswind joining downwind.
Golf Kilo November, downwind 28, late call.
Can see the helicopter again.
Yeah.
Downwind 28, contact 28.
Kilo November, final 28, contact 1 on the roll.
Golf Kilo November, Seren 310 degrees, 6 knots.
Wind copied, Golf Kilo November.
Golf India, Seren 310 degrees, 5 knots. Golf India.
Aircraft behind, 6 o'clock, 1.5 miles, 700 feet above, overtaking at 30 knots.
Runway vacated, Golf Kilo November.
Golf Kilo November, roger.
So we'll have to do as usual. Taxi a little bit round and then push her back.
Yeah.
Once we arrived, we met up with a couple of friends. I spent most of my time that evening worrying the camera and audio didn't record, but as you're watching this now, I clearly didn't have anything to worry about. The tapas was great. It came with patatas bravas, omelette, calamari, chicken and chorizo stew and bread. I would 100% recommend. Leicester is never disappointing when it comes to their food nights. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and you never know, you might see me at another Leicester dinner. Thanks for watching. Bye!